Welcome to an in-depth look at the 2025 Kenworth T2000 Motorhome, a perfect fusion of power, luxury, and cutting-edge technology. This motorhome is designed for travelers who want the ultimate road experience, whether for cross-country adventures, full-time RV living, or long-haul trips with complete home-like comfort. Starting with its foundation, the Kenworth T2000 chassis is known for durability and high performance, making it an excellent base for a motorhome. Unlike conventional RVs, which often sacrifice power for comfort, this model ensures you get both. Let's dive into all the details, from the engine and performance to the interior luxury, exterior features, safety, and advanced technology that make this model a top choice for RV enthusiasts. Under the hood, the Kenworth T2000 Motorhome is powered by a Cummins X15 Diesel Engine, a beast when it comes to long-haul performance. With 605 horsepower and 2,050 pound-feet of torque, this engine ensures effortless towing and smooth cruising on highways and challenging terrains. The 18-speed Eaton Fuller Automatic Transmission enhances driving ease, allowing seamless gear shifting for improved fuel efficiency and reduced driver fatigue. Fuel economy is another major highlight. Thanks to advanced aerodynamics and engine optimizations, this motorhome delivers impressive miles per gallon despite its size. The fuel tank capacity ranges from 150 to 300 gallons, depending on customization, allowing for extended trips without frequent refueling stops. This is a significant advantage for those who love exploring remote areas without worrying about fuel stations. On the exterior, the 2025 Kenworth T2000 Motorhome boasts a modern and aerodynamic design. The full body paint with high gloss finishes not only visually striking but also protects against harsh weather conditions. Customizable graphics add a personal touch, making each unit unique to its owner's style. One of the standout features is the automated slide-out system. With just a push of a button, the living space expands, providing additional room for relaxation. The large panoramic windows bring in natural light while offering breathtaking views of the surroundings. The power retractable awning with LED lighting extends the outdoor living space, creating the perfect spot for evening gatherings or relaxing under the stars. For those who love off-grid adventures, this motorhome is built to handle it. With a heavy-duty suspension system, it provides a smooth ride even on uneven terrains. The high-intensity LED headlights, fog lamps, and a 360-degree camera system ensure maximum visibility and safety during night drives. Moving inside, the interior of the Kenworth T2000 Motorhome redefines luxury. Designed with premium materials, the living space feels more like a high-end apartment on wheels. The spacious living area features plush leather seating, a convertible sofa, and a state-of-the-art entertainment system with a 50-inch 4K smart TV, surround sound speakers, and satellite connectivity. The kitchen area is fully equipped with high-end appliances, including a residential-size refrigerator, convection microwave, induction cooktop, and a dishwasher. The solid-surface countertops provide ample space for meal preparation, while the soft close cabinets offer plenty of storage for kitchen essentials. The dining area is designed for comfort and functionality. The expandable dinette can accommodate up to 6 people, making it perfect for family meals or entertaining guests. The large windows in the dining space ensure a bright and airy feel while offering stunning outdoor views. When it comes to the bedroom, this motorhome does not compromise. The master suite features a king-size bed with a memory foam mattress, ensuring a restful sleep. It also includes nightstands with USB charging ports, a walk-in closet, and a private 40-inch smart TV. The bathroom is designed to provide a spa-like experience. It includes a full-size shower with a rainfall showerhead, a porcelain toilet, and a vanity with solid-surface countertops. The heated floors and towel racks add an extra touch of luxury, making it perfect for all seasons. For those who need extra sleeping space, the Kenworth T2000 Motorhome offers multiple configurations, including bunk beds, a fold-out sleeper sofa, and an optional loft area above the driver's cabin. Technology plays a crucial role in enhancing the overall experience. The smart control system allows owners to adjust lighting, temperature, security cameras, and slide-outs through a touchscreen panel or a smartphone app. The solar power system with lithium-ion battery storage ensures sustainable energy for off-grid living, reducing dependency on generators. Connectivity is seamless with Wi-Fi, satellite TV, and 5G capability, making it easy to stay in touch with loved ones or work remotely while on the road. Safety is a top priority in the 2025 Kenworth T2000 Motorhome. It comes with adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, collision mitigation systems, and a blind spot monitoring system. These features enhance driver confidence and provide peace of mind during long journeys. Another great feature is the Air Ride driver and passenger seats, ensuring maximum comfort during long hours on the road. The adjustable steering wheel, digital instrument cluster, and heads-up display provide essential driving information at a glance, reducing distractions. Storage is another highlight. With multiple exterior storage compartments, underbed storage, and overhead cabinets, there's plenty of space to store all travel essentials. The garage compartment at the rear is ideal for storing bikes, kayaks, or additional travel gear. For those who love outdoor cooking, the exterior kitchen setup includes a grill, sink, mini fridge, and fold-out table, perfect for BBQs and outdoor gatherings. The Kenworth T2000 Motorhome is also designed for extreme weather conditions. It features dual-pane insulated windows, an advanced HVAC system with both heating and cooling, and heated holding tanks to prevent freezing. Whether traveling through snowy mountains or hot deserts, this motorhome ensures a comfortable living environment. Customization is another strong point. Buyers can choose from a variety of floor plans, interior color schemes, and additional luxury upgrades such as a fireplace, a washer-dryer combo, and a high-end soundproofing package. When it comes to pricing, the 2025 Kenworth T2000 Motorhome sits in the high-end category. The base model starts at around $350,000, while fully loaded versions with premium features can go beyond $500,000. However, considering the level of luxury, technology, and performance, this motorhome is a worthwhile investment for those who seek the best in road travel. Overall, the 2025 Kenworth T2000 Motorhome is a masterpiece in the world of luxury RVs. It offers a perfect balance of power, comfort, and innovation, making it an ideal choice for full-time travelers, adventure seekers, and those who want the ultimate mobile living experience. If you're looking for a motorhome that delivers top-notch performance, cutting-edge technology, and unmatched luxury, the Kenworth T2000 Motorhome is definitely worth considering. Stay tuned for more in-depth reviews and updates on the latest motorhomes and travel trends. If you enjoyed this detailed breakdown, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing content. Safe travels, and see you in the next video. Voice.